I am Alex, and welcome back to the Quality English Tutor podcast, where you can speak English with full confidence.
I am Sarah.
And I'm really glad you're here today. Let me ask you something simple. How does your workday usually start?
Good morning. I'm Sarah, and yes, that's a good question. Mornings set the mood for the whole day.
Exactly. This morning, I felt a bit tired. I didn't sleep early last night. I was finishing some work and checking notes.
One of those nights. That happens to many people.
Yes, but I noticed something interesting. Even late at night, I learned a few new English words. Small wins matter.
That's a smart way to think. Even busy days can teach us something.
True. And sometimes I like to take a quiet moment in the morning to notice little things, like the sunlight or birds outside my window. It helps me start the day calmly and with focus.
I like that idea. A calm mind makes learning English easier, too.
Exactly. Now, before work really starts, there is one important thing.
Let me guess. Coffee?
Of course. For me, work doesn't begin without coffee.
Same here. Coffee first, emails later.
And sometimes I like to take a moment to think about one small goal for the day. Just one thing to achieve. It keeps my focus and gives me confidence.
Yes, and it's motivating to see even one goal completed. Little wins build up.
So, happy Monday.
Happy Monday. A new week, a fresh start.
Yes, and we don't need to do everything at once. Just one small task at a time.
That makes work feel easier.
So, what will you do first today?
I'll open my inbox, read my messages, and then look at today's work plan.
That sounds good. I'll reply to a few messages and get ready for a meeting.
Perfect. And while we work, we'll practice simple English together.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need clear, simple English.
Exactly. Let's start the day and the lesson together.
Okay, now let's move to something very important for work life. Writing emails. Polite, clear, and professional. This is a skill you'll use every day.
Yes, sometimes I worry my emails sound rude, even when I don't mean them to.
Oops. Exactly. And you're not alone. Many learners know English, but their emails sound too direct. So let's fix that, step by step. First, the greeting. How do you usually begin an email?
I usually write, "Hi," and the person's name, like, "Hi, John."
Good. Hi, John, or hello, Anna. They are both friendly and professional for most jobs.
And what about "dear"? I see that sometimes too.
Good question. Dear is more formal. You can use it when writing to your manager, a client, or someone you don't know well.
So "hi" is friendly and "dear" is formal.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Now, after the greeting, add one polite opening line. For example, I hope you are doing well.
Oh, yes. I see that in many emails.
Right. That one sentence makes your email sound respectful, not cold. Now let's talk about requests. This is where many beginners struggle.
Yes, I often write very directly.
That's normal, but small changes make a big difference. Instead of saying, send me the file, try saying, could you please send me the file?
That sounds much softer. Yes.
Exactly. Same meaning, better English. You can also use, could you please check this? Or, when you have time, could you review this?
So the email feels polite, not demanding.
Correct. Now let's look at the ending of the email. You can write, thanks, friendly, best regards, professional, kind regards more formal.
So I should choose based on the situation.
Exactly. And here's something very important. Polite emails do not need big words. They need clear words.
Yes, simple English makes me feel more confident.
Exactly. If you can write polite emails, you sound professional even as a beginner. And this will help you every day at work. Let me be honest. Small talk at work isn't about perfect English. It's about starting. Many learners wait for perfect grammar and then say nothing. Oops.
Yes, that's true. Silence makes people nervous, but simple English is enough to begin.
At work, I still feel shy sometimes. I want to speak, but my mind says, what if I make a mistake?
That feeling is normal. Remember, people don't focus on grammar. They focus on your message.
So, what can we say for small talk?
Start simple. One line is enough. Try, how's your day going? Or, how was your weekend?
I usually answer with one word. Good.
That's okay. You can add one more word. For example, good, busy, or good, a little tired.
Busy, but good. I like that.
Perfect. Now, the next step, ask back.
Right. How about you? Exactly. That keeps the conversation alive. Short story. Last week, I met a new colleague in the office kitchen.
And then?
I wanted to say something, but I felt nervous, so I only said, "Good morning."
That's already a start.
Yes. Then I remembered one simple line. Busy day today? Just 2 words.
Nice. Very natural.
He smiled and said, "Yes, very busy." And suddenly we were talking.
See? Small talk opens the door. Let's practice together.
Okay,
Hi, how's your morning so far?
pretty good. Just checking emails. How about you?
Busy, but good. I have a meeting soon.
Good luck with that. You'll do fine.
Thank you.
See? No difficult words, no long sentences.
Just simple English, and confidence grows with practice.
If you speak a little every day, your fear gets smaller.
And your English gets stronger.
Good. Now let's take a short moment to think about what we just practiced. So far, we've talked about emails and small talk, and even short sentences can make a big difference.
Yes, it's amazing how simple phrases like, how about you? Or, could you please send me the file? Make me feel confident.
Exactly. And small steps every day build confidence, little by little. That's the key.
Let's review some vocabulary quickly. For emails, best regards, kind regards, and thanks. For small talk, busy but good, or good, a little tired.
Perfect. These phrases are short, simple, and professional. Let's practice one together now.
Okay, which one?
Try this one for meetings or emails. I agree. That's a good point. Repeat it with me slowly.
I agree. That's a good point.
Excellent. Now let's try a small talk one. How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Great. See? Just a few words, but it keeps the conversation going.
I notice I feel more confident already.
Exactly. Try using one phrase from today's lesson this week at work or school. One small step is enough to make big progress.
And that's the fun part. Practicing together and repeating makes it natural.
Yes. Remember, don't wait for perfect grammar. Just start with simple phrases. Every time you speak, your confidence grows.
I like that. Small steps really do matter.
Exactly. And with this practice, you're already ready to move into meetings and emails with more ease. We have a team meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, Meetings still make me nervous when I speak English.
That's completely normal, Sarah. Many people feel the same way. But remember, you don't need long sentences.
Really?
Yes, simple and clear is enough. For example, you can say, I have an update on the project.
That sounds manageable.
It is. And if you agree with someone, just say, I agree. That's a good point.
And if I don't agree?
Be polite. Say, I understand, but I have a different perspective.
What if I don't understand something?
Then you can say, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
That feels respectful, not rude.
Exactly. English at work is not about perfect grammar. It's about being polite, clear, and confident.
So, short sentences are okay.
Not just okay, they're often the best approach.
So, not just okay, they're often the best approach.
I love that. It definitely makes me feel more at ease. Absolutely. And as we wrap up today, remember, each small step in building your confidence counts. Every conversation, every email, every meeting is progress.
It's motivating to see how much we've learned in just one morning.
Exactly. Keep practicing and believe in yourself. Over time, these small efforts will lead to big results.
We'd love to hear from our listeners too. What English situation makes you most nervous? Emails, meetings, or small talk? Write your answer in the comments below.
And here's a tip. Try using just one sentence from today's lesson at work this week. One small step can make a big difference.
If you found today's tips useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Quality English Tutor podcast for more real-life English practice.
Remember, we're here to help you speak confidently, not stress. You've got this. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.